Hi, my name is Sam Delahaye and I'm here to teach you how to sing and play piano so that you can express yourself. Now this is the second video in this special video series. The last video I showed you was how you can use music to help motivate you, and in particular by using what I call a fight song. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to accompany your voice on the piano with Kelly Clarkson's Stronger. So even if you've never played the piano before, maybe you played the piano when you were younger and you're returning, or maybe you're a classical pianist who wants to be able to sing without reading music to accompany her voice on the piano, I am the person that's going to help you with this. So let's get cracking. I'm going to lead you straight into my hands and you'll be able to see the chords and everything I do. Okay. So first of all, we have got 4 chords to this song, and I love 4 chord songs because it just makes it so easy. And actually we've got 4 claw chords as well. So here we go. We have A minor, we have F, we have C, and we have G. Now the way I teach piano is I do it via patterns, so I either talk about claw chords or triangle chords, and really it's just the way it looks on the piano. So as you can see here with the A minor, you can see like a claw chord. Can you see a claw? Yeah, that's why I call it a claw chord. And for those of you beginners of you out there, you can literally play this note, which is the first finger on A, middle finger on C, and little finger on E. And we'll just focus on the right hand, and then you just have to pick your wrist up and move over to the F. It's exactly the same pattern. And then move over to the C, and then move over to the G. Okay, great. So if we first of all start with just our right hand, I've shown you those chords. So we've got A minor, F, C, and G. And now we can introduce the left hand. Okay, so I'll put my hand behind my back and we're just going to do the left hand. So thumb's going to be on C, and we've got our 5th finger, which is our little finger, that's going to be on F, and we've got our 4th finger, which is on G, and then we also have our 3rd finger, which is on A. So if we were to look at the chord sheet, and we've got A minor, F, C, and G, we're just going to play the left hand. So we're going to A, F, C, and G. And this is really important. When I first of all start to learn a piano arrangement, I always just really have the piano and just go da 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 da. I never really do lyrics or anything like that because I want to focus on the hand. Okay, so I'm going to just roughly sing the melody whilst I'm playing the left hand. So da 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 ba bam bam ba dum da 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 bam 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 ba dum ba da 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 ba ba da 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 da. So you can see what I'm doing. Like I'm not doing really any vocals, any lyrics, because that's vocal phrasing, which is rhythm, which we'll talk about in the next lesson, and it can be quite tricky. So just the roughish melody, as long as you know it roughly. If you've never played the piano before, or you've never sung before, or you've never written a song before, I actually have a free guide. So if you just click on the link below, and I teach you a couple of chords, I teach you basics of piano and how to write your very first song. Just click on the link if you want to download that. Alternatively, if you really enjoyed this and you want to watch more of these videos, just click on the subscribe button and I will see you in the next class. So now we've got the left hand and we've got the voice. We're going to bring in the right hand. Now, I've shown you those claw chords, but we're not going to do that today. I'm going to show you some kind of cluster chords to make it sound really beautiful. So we're going to start with C, B, and A. And we're going to play the 3 together. And then we're going to do the same when we hit the F. So it sounds a bit clashy, but it sounds nice when you've got the bass. So we're going to listen. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear that? And then when you've got the vocals as well, listen to this. It sounds gorgeous. So, you know the bed feels warmer. Can you hear that? Yeah. So it's just a nice kind of padding underneath your voice. As I said, we're not really piano players. We're just here to accompany our voice. Then we're going to move to the C, and And we're going to play a fourth. We're going to play G4. This is G4 here. So I'm going to play G4. There you go. And we've got the C in the bass. And then when we get to the G, we're going to add that B to the... So again, we've got a couple of cluster chords. And I teach you all about this. I teach you all about cluster chords, claw chords, triangle chords, how to have the piano sound beautiful for vocals in my program called Piano Vocal Success. Let's start from the beginning. So we've got the cluster chord, C4, and then we're going to add the B. Okay? If I'm going too fast as well, just click on the clog on the bottom right hand corner and you can slow it right down. But I would also advise you to just watch this on repeat because you'll get it, okay? So I know I'm going fast, but don't worry. So let's start with the first thing. Sounds good, yeah? Now, with this next bit, and actually I'll just get those lyrics up for you. So here we go. This is sort of the pre-chorus. And I'm using this chord sheet from Ultimate Guitar. So there's a link in the comments if you want to find this particular chord sheet. It's the same 4 chords again. So, but we want to have a little bit of a rhythm. So, so that's just a plain left hand. But we might want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, and it adds a bit of a groove. So it's going to sound like this. We're just going to clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to do that for the bass. So we're just going to start with the A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you got familiar with that, we're going to bring the voice in. So we're going to go, think you got the best of me, think you've had the last laugh, but you think that everything good is gone. Think you left me broken down, think that I'll come running back, baby you don't know me cause you're dead wrong. So you might not even want to do the lyrics to begin with. You might go da 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 da. Look at my body, I'm moving, yeah? If you don't move, it's going to be a lot harder. So you kind of want to get your dancing feet on. So once you've got that, we're going to do all of the left hand with that kind of rhythm. So it's going to sound something like this. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. And you can kind of switch it up a bit. As I said, like I improvise over a lot of it, so I might change it up slightly, but it's just like another paintbrush to have in your toolkit. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the voice. So, so you're kind of getting the groove. And as I said, like sometimes I'm doing it, sometimes I'm not. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the right hand and exactly the same, those kind of claws. So let's try this. Even with the right hand, you can change it up. You can do that, you can do that, you can do that, that. You can do the claw chords, you can do inversions if you know inversions. So, but the main thing is that we're kind of getting that groove. And then when we get to, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I'm kind of adding some more rhythm, and I'm kind of giving a little bit more momentum. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 So if we count 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Now we're going to add the melody, so we'll slow it right down. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What doesn't kill you makes a fighter. Footsteps even louder. Doesn't mean I'm over doesn't kill you makes you stronger, stronger. So you can kind of play around with it, but then we've just got the claw chords as well on the right. What doesn't and then what I would, instead of going 1, 2, 3, and 4, I might go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm doing an octave. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then with those lovely claw chord. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. Can you get the idea? It's difficult because I'm reading that. So there are lots of different ways that you can accompany a voice on the piano. I've just given you a few ideas for how to get groove with your left hand. For those of you that are beginners out there, I would just stick with that one note. But for those of you that are a little bit more advanced and kind of want to get a bit more groove, 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the chorus, or for the pre-chorus, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for the pre-chorus. So I hope that has helped. And listen, this is a journey. This is a journey of self-love and exploration and a pilgrimage to finding you through music. I thoroughly enjoy singing and playing the piano, as you can tell from my face, yeah? And I enjoy it because it's all about making the mistakes, and it's all about kind of exploring and testing yourself and going, oh, I can't do that. And then all of a sudden you are able to do that. So if you have enjoyed this and you would like to work with me further, just click on the link. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next week, where I will be talking to you about how we bring the voice into the piano and how we use vocal phrasing and we kind of connect the two, because I know that's really, really difficult for some people. Okay, so I will see you next week. Take care, guys. Bye.